on your Android device or Android phone. But before I continue, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that every video that I will do, you'll be the first person to view. Let's get started. So you come to Google Chrome, you open your browser, then you type my activity history. That's what is here, my activity history. So let me clean this one. Type my activity, you search my activity, then you click on the first one, that's my activity. Welcome to my activity. Data helps make Google search more useful for you. Sign in to review and manage your activity. So you click on that first one. You see my activity has come. So let's go down. So from last week to this week and even a week after, these are my activities I've done on Google. The search where I've gone to and all the site I've visited, you see it here. So these are the activities that you've done. So for instance, if someone have taken your phone for a day and you didn't know what the person used the phone for, or you didn't know what the person used the phone to search, you can go to my activity on your web browser, either Chrome or Firefox. Then you can track the person. Of whatever the person did on your phone. So this is how. So these are the various sites I've visited, the various things I've done over last 3 weeks, past weeks ago. This is the sites I've visited, the things I've done, and all those things are here. So these are my activities, and it will come with time and date too. So if you want to know the time, it will show you. For instance, WhatsApp business, used WhatsApp business when. So if you want detail, it will be 6:03 p.m. Let me click on one of them and show you. So WhatsApp business, for instance, sorry, WhatsApp business, for instance, if you want details, it will show you the details. So let's use the Hio launcher. I used the Hio launcher first, October 9th at 6:03 p.m. Google Play Store, Hio launcher. Then the device that I use, that's the name of my phone, Tecno Mobile Limited, Tecno BE6G. Why this activity? This activity was saved to your Google account because your additional web and app activity settings were on using Google Play Store. So you see, so if it will be somebody who is using that one, you can track the person and know the person. If the person used to watch some things that you are not interested and you asked and the person is denying, you can also track the person. So let's go back. So let me, you see, I have this one too, the block puzzle, block smash game. Let me change the details for you. So the detail is October 9th, the time is 6:03 p.m. Google Play Store, the block puzzle, that's the block smash game, and all those things. So when you use it, will all come, it will all show up. So thank you for watching this video to the end. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that every video that I will make, you'll be the first person to view. Thank you.